Man-machine cycle time reduction refers to the practice of reducing the total time taken by both human workers and machines to complete a cycle in a manufacturing or production environment. This cycle time includes all the tasks and operations performed by both the machine and the operator, from the start of a production task to its completion. By focusing on reducing cycle time, manufacturers can increase throughput, improve efficiency, and lower operational costs. Man-machine cycle time reduction is a key component in lean manufacturing, total productive maintenance, TPM, and other operational improvement methodologies, aiming to streamline processes, eliminate waste, and enhance productivity. What is man-machine cycle time? Man-machine cycle time is the total time it takes for a product to go through a production cycle, from the moment the machine begins its operation to the time it completes a specific task, including all actions taken by the operator and the machine. It is typically divided into machine time, the time during which the machine is running, performing its programmed tasks. Manual time, the time spent by the operator to assist, load, unload, monitor, or make adjustments during the machine's operation. The goal of man-machine cycle time reduction is to minimize both machine and manual times without sacrificing product quality. This reduction can be achieved through various methods such as improving machine speed, reducing operator waiting time, optimizing workflows, and automating certain tasks. Who is involved in man-machine cycle time reduction? Operators directly interact with the machines and are responsible for tasks such as starting and stopping machines, performing quality checks, and loading or unloading materials. Machine operators monitor machine operations, making adjustments or repairs as needed. They play a crucial role in identifying inefficiencies and making improvements. Production managers oversee the overall production process, monitor performance, and identify opportunities for reducing man-machine cycle time. Preventive and corrective maintenance is essential to keep machines running smoothly and minimize downtimes, which directly impact cycle time. Continuous improvement teams work on identifying areas for cycle time reduction by analyzing workflows, standardizing tasks, and implementing process improvements. Software engineers and automation specialists, in some cases, may design systems that optimize man-machine interaction. When is man-machine cycle time reduction applied? Man-machine cycle time reduction can be considered during the planning stage, where production managers allocate resources and design workflows to minimize inefficiencies. If a specific task or area in the production process becomes a bottleneck, man-machine cycle time reduction is applied to remove delays caused by either machine or human inefficiency. Man-machine cycle time is often addressed when implementing lean methodologies like value stream mapping, just-in-time production, or continuous improvement. When introducing automation or advanced technologies, reducing cycle time becomes a primary focus to ensure that human intervention is minimized and machine processes are optimized. As production volumes increase, reducing man-machine cycle time becomes essential to maintain efficiency and meet demand while minimizing costs. Where is man-machine cycle time reduction applied? The primary location for man-machine cycle time reduction is in manufacturing facilities, where both machines and human workers interact to produce goods. On assembly lines, operators work alongside machines to assemble products. Reducing the time spent on tasks such as loading, unloading, part alignment, and adjustments can significantly reduce cycle time. In systems where machines perform most tasks autonomously, the focus is on optimizing the interaction between human operators and machines to ensure smooth and efficient transitions in the production process. In maintenance or setup zones, minimizing machine downtime or reducing setup times can reduce the overall man-machine cycle time across production lines. Streamlining the interaction between human workers and machines during quality inspections and testing can also play a significant role in reducing cycle time. Why is man-machine cycle time reduction important? By reducing the time it takes for both humans and machines to complete tasks, manufacturers can increase throughput, output per hour, and production capacity. Faster cycle times lead to more efficient use of labor and machine time, which directly contributes to reducing production costs and improving profit margins. Reducing man-machine cycle time increases the number of units produced, which is especially valuable when there is high demand for products. Faster production cycles allow companies to respond quickly to market demands, improving their competitiveness in industries with tight timelines or changing customer needs. A reduction in cycle time typically leads to less in-process inventory. This also helps in reducing waste associated with idle time, unproductive work, or overproduction. Man-machine cycle time reduction helps optimize the utilization of resources, such as labor, machines, and materials. How is man-machine cycle time reduced? Regular preventive maintenance, calibration, and machine upgrades help improve the speed and performance of the machines, reducing idle time, and ensuring machines are working at optimal levels. By eliminating unnecessary waiting time for operators or minimizing manual handling tasks. Reviewing and re-engineering workflows to ensure smooth transitions between machine tasks and operator actions. Introducing automation to handle repetitive tasks or assist in the machine setup and operation process. Techniques such as Kaizen and root cause analysis help identify areas of waste and inefficiency that prolong cycle times. Minimizing the time it takes to switch between different tasks, product types, or setups reduces the total cycle time. Training operators to perform a variety of tasks or operate multiple machines reduces the dependence on individual machine operators. In conclusion, man-machine cycle time reduction is a vital strategy for improving operational efficiency in manufacturing environments. By optimizing both the machines and the operator's roles, businesses can increase production throughput, reduce costs, and improve overall productivity. Through a combination of techniques such as workflow optimization, automation, and continuous improvement, companies can streamline their processes and remain competitive in the marketplace. Man-machine cycle time reduction not only improves efficiency but also contributes to a more agile production environment that is better equipped to meet customer demands and adapt to changing market conditions.
This quiz is designed to evaluate your understanding and commitment to learning about man-machine cycle time reduction. Reducing the cycle time between human workers and machines is essential for improving production efficiency, reducing costs, and increasing overall throughput. Your answers will give insights into how dedicated you are to mastering these concepts and applying them in your work. Answer the following questions based on your current knowledge and actions related to man-machine cycle time reduction. There are no right or wrong answers. The quiz is meant to help you assess your understanding and commitment to improving man-machine interactions in production processes. 1. How familiar are you with the concept of man-machine cycle time reduction? A. I've never heard of it. B. I know the term but don't fully understand it. C. I understand the concept and its importance in production. D. I am very familiar with man-machine cycle time and have applied strategies to reduce it in my work. 2. How often do you focus on reducing the cycle time between machines and human workers in your production environment? A. I don't focus on reducing cycle time. B. I occasionally think about cycle time reduction but don't take action. C. I focus on reducing cycle time when I notice inefficiencies. D. I consistently focus on reducing cycle time and actively implement strategies to improve efficiency. 3. Do you track and measure man-machine cycle time in your workplace? A. No. I don't track man-machine cycle time. B. I occasionally track it but don't use it for analysis. C. Yes. I track it and use the data to identify areas for improvement. D. Yes. I consistently track and analyze it to optimize production processes and reduce cycle time. 4. How familiar are you with lean manufacturing or Six Sigma principles used to reduce man-machine cycle time? A. I'm not familiar with these principles. B. I've heard of Lean or Six Sigma but don't know how to apply them. C. I understand the principles and apply them occasionally to reduce cycle time. D. I am highly familiar with Lean manufacturing and Six Sigma and regularly apply them to reduce cycle time. 5. How do you approach identifying inefficiencies in the interaction between machines and operators? A. I don't actively look for inefficiencies in man-machine interactions. B. I occasionally identify issues but don't take much action. C. I regularly assess inefficiencies and implement improvements to optimize the man-machine interaction. D. I continuously monitor and improve the interaction, striving to reduce cycle time at every stage. 6. Have you been involved in initiatives or projects aimed at reducing man-machine cycle time? A. No. I have not been involved in any such projects. B. I have participated occasionally, but not in a significant way. C. I have actively contributed to some projects to reduce cycle time. D. I have led or been deeply involved in several projects focused on reducing man-machine cycle time. 7. How committed are you to learning more about strategies to reduce man-machine cycle time? A. I'm not particularly committed to learning about it. B. I occasionally read about it but don't focus much on learning more. C. I am committed to learning more and applying new strategies when I can. D. I am highly committed to continuously learning about and applying man-machine cycle time reduction strategies in my work. 8. Do you actively seek out training or resources to improve man-machine cycle time in your production process? A. No. I don't actively seek training or resources. B. I occasionally look for training but haven't taken any concrete steps. C. I actively look for resources and training opportunities when I encounter issues. D. I consistently seek out training, attend workshops, and research new methods for improving cycle time. 9. How do you prioritize man-machine cycle time reduction compared to other operational goals like cost and quality? A. I don't prioritize reducing cycle time. B. I prioritize other goals, cost, quality, and consider cycle time when needed. C. I balance cycle time reduction with cost and quality considerations. D. I prioritize reducing cycle time alongside cost and quality to optimize overall production performance. 10. How often do you review and optimize the man-machine interactions in your workplace? A. I rarely review or optimize man-machine interactions. B. I review them occasionally but don't make significant changes. C. I regularly review and make improvements to reduce cycle time. D. I consistently review and optimize processes to continuously reduce man-machine cycle time. Scoring guide. Mostly A's, 1 to 2, low commitment. You may not yet be focused on man-machine cycle time reduction. Mostly B's, 3 to 5, moderate commitment. You have a basic understanding of cycle time reduction but may not be fully committed to applying strategies in practice. Mostly C's, 6 to 8, high commitment. You are dedicated to reducing man-machine cycle time and have already taken steps to implement improvements. Continue to deepen your knowledge of optimization techniques and apply them. Mostly D's, 9 to 10, exceptional commitment. You are highly committed to reducing man-machine cycle time and continuously work to improve processes. Your deep understanding and proactive approach make you a valuable contributor to increasing operational efficiency and maximizing productivity in your organization. Next steps. By completing this quiz, you've gained insight into your current commitment level to learning about man-machine cycle time reduction. Based on your results, consider setting a goal to explore man-machine cycle time reduction in more depth. Whether you're new to it or have experience with it, identifying areas for improvement can help you better contribute to process improvement and organizational success. Send your score to the email listed in the comments section and become part of our ecosystem for further future developments.